And now big revelations tonight. In fact, in the Delhi blast investigation, forensic teams have uncovered now crucial evidence. Sources say Dr. Umar Mohammed was in fact an expert bomb maker. Remember, he's somebody who blew up in that Hyundai's i20 car on 10th of November near Delhi Red Fort. Investigators found 60% of the exhibits from the Hyundai i20 and that material clearly points to Umar's hand. Now, according to top sources, a timer device was also used to trigger the blast. Forensic teams also recovered thin wires from the spot. The explosive was allegedly prepared using fuel oil, a detonator and a timer. All this combined with ammonium nitrate mixed with fuel oil and transformer oil. So clearly, it seems like a lot of expertise had gone into making of this bomb. Now, from the 48 samples examined so far, experts believe that Umar used a 3mm or a 9mm battery with a timing circuit which was attached to the thin wire. Sources say that such bombs require a simple circuit and a manual switch, a switch that can be turned on and off just like a normal household button. Forensic teams also suspect that Umar likely used this very method to trigger that Red Fort explosion. But there's more to it. Assembling such a device takes barely 5 to 10 minutes. And the detonators used in such bombs can be easily procured from coal mines. So the big question now in front of the agencies, where exactly did Dr. Umar Mohammed assemble this high-intensity explosive? Did he connect the wiring, timer and the detonator during those 3 hours where he stayed inside the Red Fort parking lot? Or did he drive in Delhi with the switch already in his hand and the device fully prepared before entering the city? Now, these are crucial questions that are being asked at this point. Investigators are working to trace every step and to find out and to unravel these questions at this point. But this is what we know so far. He, in fact, was an expert bomb maker. And he wanted to cause a maximum damage. Now, forensic teams have uncovered crucial evidence and sources say that Umar Mohammed was an expert bomb maker. Investigators found, in fact, 60% of the exhibits from Hyundai's i20 and the material clearly points to Umar's hand.